Navigating Tomorrow, Unveiling the Future Trends in HR. The field of human resource management, HRM, is a complex and ever-changing landscape that requires a deep understanding of current trends and future predictions. As we move towards the future, new transformative trends are emerging that will reshape key activities and have a significant impact on organizational operations. Some of the most promising trends include the use of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning to automate routine HR tasks and provide valuable insights into employee behavior and performance. Additionally, there is a growing emphasis on employee well-being and mental health, with many organizations implementing wellness programs and mental health support systems to support their employees. First, digital metamorphosis, the integration of technology in HR. A conspicuous trend on the horizon is the pervasive integration of technology into the intricate tapestry of HRM. The rise of artificial intelligence, AI, and automation is casting a transformative spell on HR processes. From recruitment to onboarding and performance management, digital tools are becoming stalwart companions, freeing HR professionals from the clutches of mundane tasks. This digital metamorphosis enhances efficiency and liberates time for HR professionals to channel their energies into strategic initiatives, such as talent development and succession planning. 2. Embracing diversity, equity, and inclusion, DEI. Shaping inclusive work environments. The future of HRM is intricately interwoven with the ethos of diversity, equity, and inclusion, DEI. Recognizing the invaluable contributions that diverse perspectives bring, organizations are actively steering towards fostering inclusive work environments. HR departments are at the forefront of implementing DEI initiatives strategically designed to attract and retain diverse talent. The shift towards inclusivity aligns with ethical imperatives and acts as a catalyst for innovation and collaboration, driving organizational success. Enjoying the video so far, please take a minute to like and subscribe and stay tuned because we have a lot to offer. Thank you. Third, Data-Driven Odyssey, Navigating Strategic Initiatives with Analytics. As we gaze into the future, a paradigm shift towards a more data-driven approach in HRM becomes increasingly apparent. HR professionals are embracing the power of analytics and predictive modeling to unravel the mysteries of talent management, employee engagement, and overall organizational performance. In the data-driven odyssey, insights gleaned from analytics become guiding stars, illuminating trends, pinpointing areas for improvement, and empowering HR departments to make decisions grounded in data-backed wisdom. This strategic alignment with data ensures that HR becomes a custodian of human resources and a strategic navigator, steering organizations towards sustained success. Conclusion: steering towards tomorrow's success. As the future unfolds, the winds of change in HRM blow with a transformative force. The integration of technology, the emphasis on diversity and inclusion, and the embrace of data-driven approaches are the heralds of a new era in human resource management. Organizations that navigate these trends with dexterity stand poised to gain a competitive advantage by attracting diverse talent, fostering inclusive environments, and making decisions informed by data. HRM becomes the compass guiding organizations towards a future of sustained success in the dynamic landscapes of tomorrow. Are you looking for guidance on everything from talent acquisition and retention to performance management and employee engagement? Let's open a conversation. info@winc.hr.uk. Winc HR is a global HR and employment professional who has an impeccable record of delivering HR solutions for industry-leading firms.